Southern grandmothers were putting honey on chicken before it had a fancy name. They knew something we forgot. Sweet heat makes everything better. This is their wisdom, updated for a busy weeknight. One pan, 35 minutes. The ingredients are bone-in chicken thighs or breasts, sweet potatoes. That's it. Toss your cubed sweet potatoes in olive oil and spread them on one side of the pan that has been covered with foil or parchment paper for easier cleanup. Mix your hot honey glaze by adding butter, garlic, and the hot honey. Pat the chicken dry, season it with salt and pepper, and brush that glaze on thick into a 425 oven for 35 minutes. Look at that. Caramelized, sticky, a little spicy, exactly what Grandma would have wanted on the table. The full recipe is linked below. And if you love simple homemaking recipes from through the decades, subscribe. There's more where this came from.